Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I got a package yesterday. You may not be seeing this video right away because I had a couple other videos I already dated with the YT100 number. But I'm going to try to get this up real soon. And I'm pretty sure I know what it is. So I'm hiding the address here. This is actually from Bridget. This is from an auction, I think, but I'm not sure. So this is from Bridget. It's from Bridget's Creations. So let me turn it over. I did open this part so I can get into it easier. She wraps it really nice. I like this. Do not bend or throw. All right. So excited. I have a feeling I know what it is. Here we go. Let's see. It says, this is the painting you wanted from my first auction. An anonymous person was kind to pay for it and pay for shipping. Enjoy. Love you, girl. Bridget. She wrote me a little note right here. And the back. Oh, an envelope. I love envelopes. Yes, I do. Here we go. She was nice enough not to use that, so I can reuse the envelope. That was nice. Oh, it is. It is. It is. It's Bridget's. I love this one. Oh my God, look at that metallic green. Oh, let me show it to you. Oh, and look at these beautiful cells here. Everywhere. This one's gorgeous. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm going to hold it different ways. This is one way. I wonder who that anonymous person was. It was very sweet of them. I have a clue who it might be. However, I wish they would comment below and let me know so I can thank them. But I'm not positive. But please do so I can thank you. And I love it and so appreciate it. Both Bridget and my anonymous person that was such a sweetheart. Was a little tight on money back then. A couple months ago that was. And I just couldn't get it. I kept telling her to hold it for me because eventually I was going to get it. But someone got it for me and I'm so excited. I love it. It's beautiful. Very amazing. It is from Bridget's auction. She signed it on the back right here. Bridget's Creation. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful painting. I love it. And God bless both of you. Bridget and the person, the anonymous person. Thank you so much. Even the sides came out great. Look at that. See how that just sort of melds in with the top? It's so pretty. Thank you again. I love getting packages. I so do. But who doesn't, right? Everybody likes getting surprises in the mail. Thank you both. And God bless. Be safe and be happy. We'll see you soon with a new video. Bye-bye now.